Good morning, ekonomiya. Punta tayo ng center at magsisimba tayo. Kunin natin yung projector. Dahil tayo ang na-assign sa projector. Event ngayon na binibining kalinangan dito sa South Korea, dito sa Seoul. Ang beauty pageant ng SFCC, ng Catholic community rito sa Seoul, sa Haewadong. At ngayon, ilan lang tayong naiwan kasi yung iba nandun na sa venue ng binibining kalinangan. Kaya magpo-projector tayo ngayon. Tayo ang in charge sa projector. Ang taas to. Bakit ako? Kaya yan, samahan nyo ko mamaya. Sana makabot tayo rin sa binibining kalinangan. Ayan, ito natin. Kaya tayo. Tingnan natin kung sino man nandito. Okay, yan lang.
A few moments later.
Hello guys.
Hello vlogs, welcome to my guys.
Ayan o, ayan, ito lang kami. Kami lang yung umupunta ng simbahan. Lahat at sa event na. Kaya ito na siya magiging pare, ang madre. Ako yung sakristan, sa yung salay. Kaya kami lang, apat. Kami lang.
Sa Kristan, ako yung
pare, ang madre.
at saka yung tagapagbasa.
Tagapagbasa. Ayan, commentator. Ayan, lector. Ayun. Kaya kami lang, amin lahat ang ano nito.
Yung pare siya talagang magpukoleksyon.
Koleksyon. Lahat.
Sagal lang po ay.
Kaya ayan. Good luck sa amin. At good luck sa mga binibining kalinangan
2025.
2025.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
Panginoon sa loob ng kanyang simbahang tinatag niya sa bato ng pananampalataya ni Pedro. Pagkalooban naman kayo ng pananampalataya hindi magmamaliw.
Amen.
Pagkalooban kayo ng kaalaman sa pananampalataya sa pamamagitan ng pagsisikap at pangaral ni San Pablo. Kumangon naman kayo sa kanyang halimbawa ng inspirasyon para akayin ang inyong kapwa kay Kristo sa pamamagitan ng inyong pamumuhay.
Amen.
Pagpalain kayo makapangyarihang Diyos, Ama, Anak, Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Kumain ka sa kapayapaan ni Kristo.
Salamat sa Diyos.
Punta ka doon? Ayun, tapos na ang misa. Tanong tayo ngayon sa ano na, venue na. Ayun, tapos na ang misa. Let's go. Tayo, tingnan natin sa venue. Tayo natin mga kasama. Punta kami dito para makita na natin. Saan ba? Second floor? Kakain muna daw. Para ano, kain muna daw, kain. Kain muna tayo.
May restore.
A dazzling celebration of joy, resilience, and unity. The bold red and gold hues symbolize royalty and strength, while the burst of bright colors reflect the festival spirit of celebration. Mask elements in her attire reminds us to keep smiling even through life's storms. Designed by Rian Sibug. And now, Bini Bini 4. Chris Isabel's attire is inspired by the pineapple. More than just a tropical fruit, the pineapple leaves yield piña fiber, a delicate yet strong material used in our national costumes, the Barong Tagalog and Barong Saya. Held in the scenic city of Tagaytay, the Pilipinian Festival bursts to life with colorful floats, lively street dances, and of course delicious pineapple treats, the spirit of summer and community pride. In golden glow and festive cheer, Bini Bini 4, Chris Isabel, or in a costume inspired by the migratory birds in Candaba, Pampanga. Her costume features colorful feathers that represent biodiversity, beauty, and the harmony between nature and people. The Ibon Festival highlights the community's deep respect for wildlife and sustainable agriculture. Designed by Jerome Gozon, Ronabel's costume captures the spirit of flight and freedom. With ito na si Binibini 6 Roseanne Wee na kumakatawan para sa Paguyas Festival ng Nueva Ecija. Sa kanyang makabagong trahe de mestiza na hango sa hinabing bani, sinasalamin ni Roxanne ang kahangahangang kagandahan ng kanyang lalawigan. Ang kanyang kasuotan ay sumisimbolo sa pagkakaisa, katatagan at sipag ng mga Novo Ecijano. Ang imahe ng kalabaw ay nagpapakilala sa mga magsasakang walang kapagurang nagtatanim ng palay, gulay at sibuyas, mga yaman ng kanyang bayan. Likha ng designer na si Mods Tinsangan Jose. Sa ganda at dangal, siya'y namamayani. Binibini 6, Roseanne Wee. His costume blooms with boldness, paying tribute to nature's unmatched artistry. With each petal a plea to protect, with every thread a call to connect. A floral queen, both fierce and free. She is the bride of Antique, Binibini 7, Cheon Park. Inspired by Binyan's iconic rice cake and the rhythmic Maglalagig, Nicole's costume reimagines the simple attire of Maglalagig dancers, white shirt, bright trousers, and coconut shells into a vibrant attire bursting with creativity and pride. More than just a dish, Puto Binyan is a symbol of community and culture, while the latif brings sweetness to every beat and step. Sweet and strong, she grooves to the song. Binibini 8, Nicole Benemerito creates Davao's vibrant heritage, but also raises awareness for our endangered national bird. Designed by Ken Cyril Mondragon, the costume soars with pride and purpose. With wings of light, she takes her flight. Binibini 9, Marian Macau. Her costume is a vibrant tribute to unity, reflecting the Ilocano word amungan, which means gathering or coming together. Jennifer honors the province's diverse ethno-linguistic roots, from indigenous tribes to migrant settlers. Held every May, the Grand Amulan Festival is a colorful celebration of Nueva Vizcaya's founding. In dazzling detail and cultural pride, she brings communities together in one radiant stride. Binibini 10, Jennifer Rapinian ay ang kamay ng hardinero, kamay na nagpupunla ng pangarap. Sa bawat tanim, kasaganahan ang bigkiin. Siya si Binibini 11, Asteria Camonegro, ang mutya ng hardin. Wearing a powerful tribute to the Balamiga Bell Festival of Samar. Her costume is inspired by the historic Balamiga encounter of 1901. Tall, a symbol of freedom, strong and true, we all make way for you. Binibini 12, Maybelline Olesco. Please, another round of applause for our Binibinis, ladies and gentlemen.
Ano
Gomez. Sabi nga nila, no, puksaan kung puksaan at merong napuksa talaga. Kanina lamang. Huwag na po kayong magtaka kung maya-maya lamang. Nandiyan na si Gas Abelgas. Para sa Soko. Alright, you are also part of the final five. Bini Bini. P11 Australia Power Negro. Now, oh my God, who do you think? Here we go. She is Bini Bini. Bini Bini. Wow, congratulations. And for the fourth spot, we have 2 spots remaining, and 1 is yours. Bini Bini, Bini Bini 2 is Papalis. And the last spot goes to Bini Bini 6, Rosa Ali. Led by Isia. Ladies and gentlemen, your top 5. Here is the question. Bakit ikaw ang dapat maging Pilipining Kalinangan 2025? You have 30 seconds, and when you hear this, you only have 5 seconds to wrap up.
I truly understand that the crown is not just a symbol of victory, it is also a responsibility. Being in a Binibining Kalinangan, it is an opportunity for me to showcase not only myself but also the culture of us Filipino, from talent, values, and also the heritage of our culture. And I believe if I win, I will carry the crown with purpose and leadership, and that leader or a leader who makes sure that no one is left behind.
Ito yung tanong mo, ha? Isa-share natin sa kanila. Bakit ikaw ang dapat maging Binibining Kalinangan 2025? Quiet, please. Yeah, 30 seconds.
Bakit ako ang dapat maging Binibining Kalinangan? Dahil ako ay may katangian, mapagmahal sa kapwa, may tiwala sa sarili at higit sa lahat, may pagmamahal sa Diyos at may takot. Maraming salamat po.
Bakit ikaw ang kailangan maging, bakit ikaw ang dapat manalo na Binibining Kalinangan 2025? You only have 30 seconds. Ready?
For me, ang mananalong Binibining Kalinangan ay dapat siya ay work hard, may layunin, at kaya niyang mayabang or ipag-proud ang kanyang kultura, and siya ay matalino at kaya niya ipakita hindi lang maganda, kundi may puso at isip na kaya niya may respeto din siya sa ibang tao, at yun ay she is me.
Congratulations! Bakit ikaw ang dapat maging Binibining Kalinangan 2025? Okay? Alright, you have 30 seconds. Here you go.
I think I should be the Binibining Kalinangan 2025 because I have the strength, the confidence, the compassion, the resilience, and because of being religious, I know I can handle the responsibilities that entrusted with me. At pinaka-importante, I'm proud to be Filipino. Thank you!
Questions? Alright, bakit ikaw ang dapat maging Binibining Kalinangan 2025?
Dapat akong maging Binibining Kalinangan 2025. Dahil bitbit ko ang layunin na maging huwara ng mga kababaihan. Na dapat ipagmalaki at mahalin ang ating kultura at lahi. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat po.
Congratulations! Maraming salamat, Rose and Wee! And our second runner-up is Binibiler to Lisbon Morales. Congratulations! Binibini 12. Congratulations! Binibini 11. You are first runner-up. Congratulations! First runner-up. All right, would you like to request your
Nagamit yung talent ko kanina. Ganun mga galawan doon, Brad. Pag sama na tapon to, sama na walis. Oh, ganun ang galaw noon. Pag map na ganun, diretso yung tapon din ba? Ano noon? Oo. Kita kayo. Oo. No. I-elevator niya pa yan?
Oo, wala naman.
Sa hagdan lang daw yan.
Bahala na siya dito.
Oo, dyan mo lang, ayaw mo lang.
Diyan. Simula ako.
Bus. Ay, bus.
Hindi mo mga pala yung minor.
Ayan, uwi na kami. Tapos na ang Pinipining Kadilangan. Thank you for watching. Bye.